The Huawei Nova 9 SE is surely one of the most beautiful phones we've seen so far. But aside from that, is this mid-ranger ready to shine against the tough competition in 2022? Or will its beauty fade out in the background? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elle, and for today, let's talk about the Huawei Nova 9 SE. So I've tested this phone for a couple of weeks now, and it does have its pros and cons. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. For the box, the Huawei Nova 9 SE has Huawei's signature white box with some branding on the front and on the sides. Inside the box, of course, you get the phone, but we'll talk more about that later on. You also get a free jelly case, a SIM ejector pin, a 66-watt charger, and a USB-C cable. Now, when it comes to the phone, what I like about it is its design. And Huawei makes really good-looking phones no matter the price range. Our unit comes in the stunning crystal blue variant, which has a color-shifting design made from 3D glass that was treated with a dual-film, dual-plating nano-texture technology, which results to this sleek, pretty, and glossy design. Its reflective back is also prone to a lot of fingerprint smudges, so the free jelly case might come in handy after all. On the upper left corner, you can see the rear camera module. Now it looks like it only has 2 lenses, but it actually holds 4 cameras. Now the power button, which also serves as a fingerprint scanner, is located on the right side along with the volume rocker. On the bottom, you can find the USB-C port, microphone, and the speaker grill, while the SIM card slot is located on the top. When it comes to its build, the Nova 9 has a really good ergonomic feel to it, and it weighs around 191 grams and it is 7.9mm thick, which makes it easier to hold and carry around. Moving on to the display, the Nova 9 SE has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with a 90Hz refresh rate and P3 color gamut coverage. So far, the display quality looks really good. Colors are bright and vibrant, that makes it a good display for watching videos and media content. Plus, the 90Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and swiping through the phone look incredibly smooth. That makes me wonder why Huawei decided to not give this model an AMOLED display, cause I noticed that most mid-range offerings from other brands are shifting over to an AMOLED screen. But hey, this device still delivers a solid display that gets the job done. For the specs, the Nova 9 SE has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage, and it runs on EMUI 12. When it comes to games, I was able to play Mobile Legends and Call of Duty on this phone, and gaming performance was pretty decent. For Mobile Legends players out there, the settings on this phone can go up to ultra graphics settings, which makes the gameplay a lot smoother and character movements look sharp and seamless. So far, I experienced little to no lag or stutters when I was in battle, but considering that ML isn't a graphically heavy game, the Snapdragon 680 handled it pretty well. For Call of Duty Mobile, the settings can go up to very high graphic quality with high frame rate, so you guys can definitely play in higher graphics settings. The gameplay was enjoyable. The animation looked smooth and there were no stutters in between aiming down sights, reloading, and shooting, which makes it a fun and enjoyable gameplay. And as far as performance goes, the Snapdragon 680 performed pretty alright. I mean, it does the job when it comes to running apps smoothly, but it's surely not a gaming powerhouse, since the Snapdragon 680 is a processor aimed towards efficiency rather than performance. And here are the benchmark scores to show it. Powering the Nova 9 SE is a 4000 mAh battery, and based from our battery test, this phone lasted 14 hours and 49 minutes of battery life, which is great since that can last you for almost half a day's worth of usage. And you don't have to worry about charging since this has a 66-watt supercharge capability, which makes charging time a lot faster. When it comes to cameras, the Huawei Nova 9 SE has 4 cameras, a 108-megapixel main, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel depth, and 2-megapixel macro. For the camera settings, it has multiple modes from aperture, night mode, portrait, photo, video, pro, panorama, time-lapse, stickers, super macro, dual view, and high res. So far, the photos taken by the 108 megapixel shooter came out really good. The colors look true to life and more detailed, especially in good lighting. The quality still looks great even in challenging conditions. However, the wide-angle lens isn't as high-res compared to the main camera, and I don't recommend using it in low-light conditions, since the photo quality ends up with softer details. Now when it comes to video quality, this phone has no video stabilization features at all. So vlogging on this phone might be a little challenging, but regardless, the photos look really good. Overall, the Nova 9 SE sports a fresh and sleek design that matches its stunning display that can produce bright and vibrant visuals. Now, gaming performance may be decent, but this device delivered color-accurate photos thanks to its great set of cameras. So on its own, I'd say this is a pretty good mid-range phone, especially if you're a big fan of Huawei. So far, we still don't have any price details on this phone, but we'll let you guys know once it's out. So go ahead and check out Unbox.ph for more awesome content. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more updates. Once again, this was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys next time.